What's up my people, welcome back to the channel. So I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. Some people we have the Lion Man and GX link up. I remember the Lion Man and Jabbas did I bring down GX boss boy. It must no not Jabbas. The Lion Man did I bring down GX. Oh it must club whatever candy club and something. So we are going to hear what go on right now that them link up my people. Yeah, we have to see if him change him out or what. See, also my people we have Shibada talk to Kizzy's sister. Yeah, I respond to Kizzy's sister about the things them what she come and say after Kizzy baby drop out and something and Miss Chin say what she say and whatever. Miss Chin, you know my people, me sure we don't know keep rich come clear the ear and you know what I mean, and talk up some things. So Miss Chin, you know, click for your life and come talk up some things also. And my people, let me tell you something. Me I go say both party did bad to each other. You see me I say? Yes, both party did wrong things, bad things to each other. None of them never did 100% good. You see me? That me have to say. Maybe once upon a time, at least one of them did good till the next one corrupt him or corrupt she. You see me? So we are gonna get into that, my people. What else we have? Alright, here I go on my people. You don't know me stay with remembering stuff for me I go share. So whatever you don't see in the hear in the intro, definitely I go see and hear in the video. So make we get in it, my people.
More time. You understand? So the man they express himself to everybody. The man was not threatening you. Big up all like gifters and big up all the show love. Stop come spread propaganda upon the man name and try. Yeah, try now you fit. Cause I hold it on in a WhatsApp group now. Zoom I hold it on in a WhatsApp group. Cause first thing we hear talk about share boy. We know say everybody knows a share. Appreciate it. Everybody knows a share. Do not like hacking them. And from people see a link with them people there, we know it was just a matter of time for you try style the youth. And the youth make sure I block you before you reach the sun. The man make sure I block you because you Zuma gone na your funeral. Why make your child running for Akim thing then? Why make your child running for the man thing? Eh? For the man have to block you. All on a group up the child to bring down the youth. And it can come try to tell like on the man. The man never threaten you.
See me and Zuma did good. Yes, what I say, me and the dog not have nothing, you know, but I just see him say something bad about me on a screen recording and I just block it out.
So through the man black you, one of the most trending youth on TikTok. And the man that trend on TikTok right now. Through the man that trend on TikTok right now and black you. They black your earth by you know. Cause guess what? It stop your ability from somebody who popular right now for you to play match and people to support you. So that stress out and that lick your brain. And that lick your brain. When the whole TikTok they say the man a fish, why you never block the man from that time? Eh? Why you never block the man from that time then Zuma? When the whole TikTok they say the man this and the man a fish and the man no straight and the man no this and the man no that, why you never block the man from that time? Why you have to wait till Akim block you personally? Eh? You show no look at hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. The man does explain to Abel why him unfriend you, why him block you and does prefer to deal with you. Because the man realize say you mix up and the man realize say you link with some people where they try bring him down and you know they try. And this is what you always do when you bring down people. You say yo a TikTok thing man, I just TikTok thing man. I know nothing personal, a TikTok thing, you know me just do it for clout and kind, and that's the way you always tell the people them. But you know I'm gonna work this time, the man make sure take away himself from you, cause me listen, you know, all time you bring down some people and even when they have bring down diamond confront you. I say diamond, you know a thing go man. You know a little clout me a look. You know me no mean nothing by it. That's how you always do. Bro, but not everybody go work with. It's not everybody go work with. The man never have, if you did have an issue, the man tell the man from day one say me now go friend you because me have an issue. Tell the man say me now go friend you because me have an issue. You got a your funeral. So why would you friend Akim on TikTok then if you feel that Akim hurt the youth? But no, you're trying to manipulate the crowd to make it look like say yo, guess what? I have a problem. Oh, this you run with the wave. Slacky them, all of them blood clot know what Naya think. Bubba, all of them they come up. Because when Naya drop out, you know, Bubba say you're not on phone with the woman. And you can't see that the message and that the time of the call up to now. And be a change, all of them a change their mouth. Naya little brother, me have even recording when Naya little brother say a family feel Naya. So this not have nothing to do with figure it out and Akim. What make you feel say police let them go? Police them are an idiot. Police them know to track certain things. Police them are an idiot. Police them take the man them phone, go through what them fi go through. Pull digital record. The police them do what them fi do. And realize that the man them have no conversation about nothing. Stop playing mind game you and stop feel like you want to try just through the man now use you try to set up the man to make it like the man they threaten you. The man never they threaten you. Stop telling lie. Because you got Naya funeral, you stand up and say you want justice for Naya. And if I were the man name called for Naya, why would you go friend the man from day one? For the man you know can block you. Because the man say you're a hypocrite. Because first of all you talk about you want to share them about me. Share them don't like Akim, none at all. The man know that. And if you are link with share them or you have to link with the man, then when you see man, you come and smile. Yo, I much respect me, I fear you. You have the respect for the man that you realize that the man have the clout now. Appreciate it, thank you. The clout here look cute. And the clout here look. And people if you turn up, cause me not have a problem with the Zoom, but you see me call out the hypocrisy when me see. Because the man, you tell lie on the youth. You tell lie on you. We have to call out the hypocrisy when we see. Bro, the man don't go tell the man say him black you because he see up on a screen record and say some things about him. What? Eh? Stop trying to set up the money. Everybody wave you want to ride pan. You come you go like you so on me I tell you you say on real. Cause if you did feel that way about the man, why would you friend the man in the first place even they play match with the man pan day one? Then you come to try to set up the youth. I say the youth are this and the man are this. You never know, say the man never straight all along when you friend the man, but you the man black you up in your feelings. You act like you're Rosealee. Zuma, you're not Rosealee. So you shouldn't hurt. You're not a Rosealee for hurt with anything with Akim do. You're not Rosealee. You have a tattoo? Do you have a tattoo? Do you have a tattoo upon you? Do you have a tattoo upon you of Akim? So why you hurt? Should the man black your youth? They try to spread propaganda upon the man name and they put scrutinize it. Youth, youth. Well, is it from the moment me see you tell lie for your mother, see you see your mother in an uncompromising position. For me see you go under the big platforms go do that to your own mother. Me not surprised. Appreciate it. Big up yourself. Me not surprised. Me not surprised. You will do anything. You will do anything. Me see me, big up yourself, appreciate for you gift them. You will do anything. Me attack you truth, cause I want me see. Cause when me hear you attack, me make sure go look for it. And I say, remember when me catch you live when me see Akim and Ivy boss. But me I say the man never threaten Zuma, the man the same black Zuma. And you come and they put on facade on the youth name. Youth, you are wicked for that, you. Zuma, you are wicked. This is say your Akim did good. And this is how we are trying to do to Akim, you're wicked.
Alright, my people, as you know, already know and point that, right? But hear me say about the Zuma and think the situation. Context matter, you know, my people. And the short clip where me see where Akim did I say, me take that short clip there and give my opinion on it. Seeing because me hear him say him know what him will do to people. You understand? So we want in order to get the full story, cause Anpine come say nothing no go sir no. And you know what I mean, you see when you know see the full view of things or hear the full story of things, you will get misinformed and come up with the conclusion where no go so. You see me I say because you know get the 100% of everything. But the short clippings there, a person can look on the short clippings there and say, okay, he mentioned Zuma name, so that means that the people them where he might talk about maybe Zuma in other people where he might generalize. You see me I say, but at the end of the day, he can go that way where I talk about a group of people and him just use Zuma as an example, but him Zuma not in the group of people where I talk about. And we can't wrong Zuma if he come and jump and start cuss and say what I say. You know why we can't wrong Zuma? Because of what him say and him hear him name call. So once you call a person name in a certain, like, yeah, in a certain topic then, and we not perfect. We can get misinformation, we can get misinformed. You see me, I say we can come up with the wrong conclusion because we don't get the entire thing. And again, the two of them are a friend. So him could have called him and say, yo, what you say about me? Him just say what him have to say in a film defense. So me can't wrong Zuma, you know what I mean? Me can't wrong him. So let me know what you think, my people.
I want me see you do to your one mother youth. There's nothing you can say on social media for me believe you. I will not throw a lie for me. For me see you try to do that to your own mother will birth you. There's nothing you can say on social media for me believe you. Because the same man who you are born out of the same man who you did friendly for the man have to block you. Look, listen this. Listen to this.
Yes, when me say, me and the dog not have nothing, you know, but I just see say something bad about me on a screen record, and I just block it out. Me not there on no fooling issue, nobody, bro. I tell you. Me not there.
The man they make you know, and if we can talk truth, my people, if we can talk truth over here, the youth not spread no violence. If I worry for other TikTok, I wouldn't go up. If I worry for other TikTok, I to people that come at them, the youth not bring no violence. The youth even advise Rosealee that Rosealee can go counseling for co-parent with Jakes. Big up the youth for the good way youth they do. No matter if no business for no one say the youth are fish because the whole and only play with fish. Me not see the youth they go on or jayden them are go on. And I mean not see no evidence come out because remember say one and I say man sin out and I say sin out come out say enough to mix him up. So the person when I try to mix up the youth will say enough to mix him up. Come with the evidence. Stop complaining mind game for the people them on the internet, you. Big up the whole of row supporter, Akim them supporter. A factual things. Look where you go say about the you. Look on the lie you go say about the you.
You and your mother and your family are dead.
This look like a you see that you bring a Akim mother when I even know, never even know you. No busy with you. The man family me are putting at this now. Just when the man black you, they pull the man family me at this now Zuma. Zuma, why you not threaten the people your mother sell on roadside? You know if you do that, you threaten the people your mother sell on roadside. You may want to not think, but make him continue.
You see if I'm to Zuma, make sure place me, everybody here. I mean I can play to more people go by the line. Come on, everybody over here share the lie the youth. Because you send check, you send their check. You can't get, who can't get?
So who the man up to who the man send that threat to? Call name Zuma. Who the man send that threat to? Call name.
I wouldn't alone have family of bad people, man. I don't have bad friend, man. I wouldn't alone have links, man. Nobody else have links in Jamaica, man. I wouldn't alone my side. Go watch up the live and share the live, brother.
You hear me? Go watch up and share the live. You hear me? Yeah, no. Yeah.
They catch now like a sitting dog, youth.
You are big old blood clot hypocrite. You go say the man them like how the man them catch now like a sitting dog. But are you remember say you go friend Akim right after you got now funeral. So why hypocrite? So if you did a pre the man so deep, why would you friend the man on TikTok for you and the man can share scream? So the man have to end up black you because they are trying to style the man in the man see up and scream record and I try to bring him down for kinds. So you that friend a man with your priest earth your friend you remember say you got now funeral in Zuma. So you so those the kinds you may tell you say una hypocrite and heartless over here. Tell your company me that they tell lie on the man Zuma. For no reason. The man never threaten you. The man just tell you about the reason why you wicked youth. And for me say you can bring down your own mother, I don't put nothing past your youth. I can just choose the people who you play match with you. You hear me they tell you? They not like you, they might pretend that you choose the people who you play match with. Because if Zuma can try to set up in a this way, yeah, it's a good thing that the evidence, yo, you have to big up the screen record of them too, you know. You have to big up the screen record of them because, listen to this. You hear that? The man say, man, Zuma, Jesus, Zuma, you're so wicked, youth. You cut Jesus slipper. Zuma, you cut Jesus slipper. Jesus Christ, youth. You can't so wicked, youth. And where Hakim could have done so youth, just show the man black you. So true, you can't get no kind of the man, the man fame. You hurt. And willing if you go tell life on the man, you go so extreme. You open up your mouth, skin out your nose. You try to defame the man character and tell life on the man. None of you can stop that. You can't stop the people and support Rose, and you can't stop the people and support Hakim. As do my same thing you do with Diamond, you know. You and Diamond good, you have a Diamond WhatsApp number. I same thing you try with Diamond, when Diamond confront you, you talk about say, Diamond, you know what, I don't somebody do for make me kind them. So you go trample somebody with a good justice kinds. Bro, you open the back door, if I'm going to put you open your back door, because me don't talk about the Hakim them this. I never see Hakim in a dress over here. I don't see in a dress. I never see Hakim in a dress over here. Uno Zuma me see in a dress over here. See a content another, I only see in a frock. See a content only they do. Bro, na hypocrite. Stop. No, you me are telling you that that's a son no go far. A son no go far to set up people life for no reason at all. That is the hypocrisy. You're gonna see hypocrisy. No, but we're not gonna go say, oh yeah man, down a pit side. And go say, yeah man, down this no pit side. I truth. The truth, I just say damn truth. I'm going to talk it like what I see. I'm not pretend I'm not.
Man, in on point, you know, say me all in a listen you the other day. And I can't tell you this, you know. I was on the live when he was explaining to barbz why. And him just say must avoid certain things because he not like controversy, he not like drama. He did not threaten Zuma. Them just, you know me not it is Jamaican TikTok of them bad mind. Them no want to see they do better.
And that, let me tell you why problem. Him and Hakim was so good and play a match, but you Hakim black him. You never know where Hakim black him.
Because he heard him.
This screamer hurt him.
Yeah.
Him get the black.
I was there.
Hurt him get the black. And try to set up the road.
But you notice no American rankers or TikTokers now behave like we.
Good
we just
morning.
Good morning.
And point when we want you see the same way Zuma come and say Hakim threaten him. What I would want him to do, I would want him to highlight where the threat was, since as he said, I would love for him to just highlight it so that we can know where the threat came from.
Did not.
Because listening to the scream records,
he did not.
We can't hear it, but we maybe him hear it on point. Maybe him hear it somewhere else, you know. So me would not want it highlight. Do we?
Lady, Hakim never said no.
I know. No, Mom, Samantha, me know say him never say.
No.
But because him so adamant about it and
No,
so
he
strong
needs attention.
and a be so, me
He
would
need
love
attention.
Attention, then look. Attention.
We
He
know
need
say I
attention
sweet.
and he
We
need
know,
money.
we know this. We know say I the sweet.
So not even pay that no mind. Can't just
But why we love sweet.
He just want to be relevant.
But again,
No coins.
He wants to be relevant. And it's a setup too. If you notice the two names he called.
Of course, I set up that.
It's a setup. If you notice the two names he called, he said,
as me say my people, me can't wrong Zuma. If you say what him say, maybe he go too extra, but me can't wrong him. You know why me can't wrong him again, my people? It's like this, see? Remember, you know, them have Hakim as the worst thing, boy, I know. When it come to badness, you know, that them have him as, you know, them say, boy, I'm a this and him a that, and rare, and worry for people come chat this and chat that about him, which we are not, maybe not go so. But Yeah, you see, where people come say about you, most people are going to believe. You understand me? So, that's one of the things where maybe Zuma see that you know, and him a come out you know to make people know, say, yo, if anything do me, such and such, because of what him say. And as me say, context matter, and the full story matter also. Because maybe if Zuma did hear the entire thing where him a say, he would have said him just use him as example and say me black Zuma cause rare. So why him saying black Zuma, you know, if he protect him peace? You see me I say? So he must where my try the point where my try to get across, you know. He must try to get across say, yo, me no want nobody come bother me and mess up my energy. So as soon as me see any little foolishness go on, me block it out, take away myself, avoid it. And that him a say. Him never did a say nothing like say boy, him a go hurt nobody. Him say him can and him know what him can do. You understand? But make me know what to think my people.
Share and ask Daima about my family. Those two people are two people that Akeem is not good with.
Exactly. First of all, all of them people they can't take down Akeem because he's a godless youth.
You know what I have to tell all of the youth is so humble.
You know what happened? Them cannot get to the first lady, so they're trying to draw her out. But you see, she's in her soft girl era now. She's not gonna listen to none of that. So all what them a try do, me feel sorry for them. Me feel sorry for them Saturday.
Two people that come off our screen, we not shoot for them.
Listen,
exactly. They will never get my money ever.
Listen, me feel sorry for them Saturday.
I'm strong black woman. You remember one year when time Rosealee and
point, if he started for them Saturday when Akeem come out for Rosealee, internet I got dropped down. And you know what, lady, me have to say on point, me have to thank you because me watch you yesterday with the two police officer them. And
that was impressive. Yes, good job.
I have to say, I am
was here all time.
I appreciate your platform. It's my first time on here because me is a Rose supporter. I'm very proud of you, the way you handle that and the way you bring everybody up in your box to talk about their side. That was, and you sit down and you listen. That was very impressive, and I gotta give you your flowers. Flowers need to be given to you.
I have a platform to express himself, and me I give them people
Miss Samantha, I saw him stay still, you know. I saw him stay still because me and him have disagreement before, but he never stopped me from come over here.
No, me used to scroll past through the night thing, you know, but boy, that trail getting rough, so we couldn't really, you know, but me there work and I forward and Steve to them tuning, you know. I'm just gonna say on point. Me proud of you. I'm from Miami. I'm proud of you. I'm proud of them.
I just want 1 minute. Morning panel. You have a nastiness in your comment in dark code. Interrupt your program.
You watching for the longest one.
Hey, just say stop read them up and type up him, you know. See him there? Dark code. I keep put money for your head.
I keep put money for your head.
You can't take me down now.
Come out that comment section, boy.
Come on, show me a proof on the Batman, on the Jamaican Batman.
Listen, let me tell you something.
As much as we love Naya,
company him life come talk a while ago. Pure lie. Me now go kill up myself and cuss up the bagabadoo. Pure lie. Pure lies. Pure lies. Allegation I win nothing no go so. Allegation a story. I want me say yes, blood upon your shoulder, me never stutter. Me never stutter. I want me say yes, me have secret for you. What you mean, me for talk them? Make people boost you up for put yourself in a trouble. You really and truly not have no sense. Make people boost you up like Supper Jane. Anyway, before that live you finish, come here, if my phone battery go down, I come live tomorrow morning. First of all, I pay like the man come here come tell. And of course, him kidnap, him take our daughter. And of course, she sell me out for money because I don't have it for take care of her. Remember, I was a teenage mother. Her father and me do the things them from me at 15 years old. From me at 15 and him at 23 years old. From me at 15, me and him involved. Come like say him a get senile and him no remember some things. Him a go say, cause I was on the live and him a try to pay foolishness. Him a go say him buy the house at New Kingston and me never know nothing about it. When I me and him talk and him tell me say him a go buy the house trying to manage at the time. Him not remember things, him a get old. Him old. I owe me carry money in the house. When you go talk about me carry money in the house, you make it seem to the people them like say me and the man did I do something. Nobody no more orin than you. Remember you carry STD come give me when me are 17 years old. Before my breed, you carry STD come give me. I know you depend on me and my woman, make me and my woman in peace, sir. You don't have one woman. Or you want me to start calling the rest of girl them name? You don't have one woman. Who are you trying to fool?
Some people want to tell me what they think in the comment section. So me I say, and as I said before, both parties, none of them are innocent. I may say at least one of them did innocent one at the time, or maybe not. You see me? But corruption go on in a delicate relationship, yeah, and it stretch come till them end the relationship. You see me? I say pure corruption. Look like say she a cheat on the G and the G a burn her up. I remember artists and him did at them time when him she a deal, you know. Or maybe him cheat on her and she cheat back and then him burn her up. And you understand what I mean? He give her a whole heap of bun. So it happened that the two of them are play the same game and are hurt each other. So that's why she bitter against him, you know. But who to tell him no bitter against her too? But him not show it like that. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. I could watch some more.
And when you go talk about how say people say your woman a thief, and the whole internet did that that. Me only recently come learn about it. Just what you and your wife left and you look me back. You're afraid to admit it. I don't know how you live with yourself and know say you tell lie and evil yourself. How you eat and sleep. And know say you sit down and you tell a bag of lie on your own self. You keep on and say 20 years. I just wait you and your wife left. The same wife will file for my daughter when me never sign no consent to. You take on my daughter, you carry her go foreign and you don't bring her back to Jamaica. Until one day one of the family member drop out and you come down for funeral. And that's how I get to see my daughter after how much years. Then you got called pick up on phone. First of all, Kelly, I was 3 years old when that incident happened. I never provoked nobody. Make nobody fire no shot over me. I did not provoke anybody. I chat too much. That's the lie where you and she plan for tell. You know, do everything for make me look bad. People are not eat that, you know. You know, do everything for make me look bad. You and your daughter plan it. You're going like she never know say you're going to do a live. You did don't tell her from a long time say you're going to do a live. So you make it seem as if you just a caller when you and your daughter plan it. She that 3 years old. And I even saw the incident go about people in an argument and people start getting loud and push down head. Kayla was 3 years old. And I me tell her the story, I talk about the pitney, I talk about this every day. She don't even know nothing about it. Me in a car, me, my sister, my nephew and Kayla. And my sister drive a car, we go somewhere. When we park up, man come for try rob we want the car. Me and nobody never in a nothing. Not a thing no go so. Him don't even know how the story go. The man is so lie and so delusional. The man believe him own lies. The man believe him own lies. Yes, I'm not stop saying blood up on your shoulder. But me could never keep a secret for you. Me could never keep a secret for you. I wally me still not talk. Wally me still not talk. I wally me still not talk. Time I start talking, you have to run away from after yourself. You have to go stop post. You have to go take away yourself. You better sit down and pray so me not get to that point. But more you keep talking, cause every time you talk, me come talk, me come hear out your dirty laundry a little bit more. Every time you talk, me come out with a little piece more. So yeah, me I make the people them know say from me at 15, you joke me. From me at 15, them time they are 23, you're a big man for me. You love them young. You love them young. You're obsessed with the youngness. Yeah, you're obsessed with the youngness. And you come talk about 20 years ago, brother, what do you look me back? But you can't admit it. And you try to impress somebody. Make them boost you up. Make them boost you up like supple gin. From me 15 years old, you joke me. Them time they are 23 years old, you're a big man for me. And you come talk about how me carry man in your house. Wicked man. You make it seem like say me and the man in there or do something. Nobody not worrying like you. Remember you give me STD when me are 17 years old. Every time me and you have sex, and when me fi come, a blood up sheet and you, because you're guilty. And with your beer and you wash out the blood out of sheet. Because you know what you do. Your beer and you take a wash out the blood out of sheet. Give me STD at 17. You see a little plan, you know. That everything when me come talk, you know, one of the people them know say true. You know you do? You come back out now, come say a lie, me I tell. I say, who not like me, I go believe you. Me not no reason for tell no lie upon you. Me have no reason for tell no lie upon you. And at no given time, me never say you're a woman a thief. Me say people, the internet, did I say you're a woman a thief? Me and your woman have nothing. I don't know one woman you have. So I don't know where you try. You never have one woman yet. Remember in 2024 when you and the girl just started there, you know. Remember 5 of them me hear about. Included she was a part of the 5. And the rest of them still there. So I don't know how now you come talk about me woman. I don't know who you are fool. I don't know who you are fool. I don't know who you are fool. And I tell lie about us when you buy us, me never know about it. And I me you tell say you go buy the house. Me you ask. Babes, what you think me for buy the house where Robert Livingston give me for go and use? The man drop you cause you never did I get no hit song. The man drop you cause you never get no sales. The man drop you cause you waste of time, no talent, no make no sense. No allegations, me not tell. Everything when me talk are facts. But come, I remember no people, anytime.
My people, alright, more to tell more the thinking in the comment section. And you are going. You see, she says she and the man there from she did how much and him did how much and whatever. You see me I say, I'm telling you something, man. You see when me there go to school, remember me telling you, yo, man used to big man used to add that even they at the school, like, you know what I mean, when we are walk home and sitting. Them used to that they hang out around the school and look at school girl them that are back in the days. You see me I say? Them sitting there used to go on and now me not see it go on no more. You know what I mean? Things and time change, them evolve. You see me I say? So that used to be the norm, you would have say, in a them the time there. You know what I mean? It used to be the norm. You see me? So, let me know what I think.
He come say something for tear me down, me come defend myself. So me must make him come talk and me nah nothing for say. Me a idiot. There are two sides to a story. Him feel like say him have a career where him a lose, so him not want people to talk them something about him. Me not no reason for lie. Him is a nobody. Which real man take away them pitney from them baby mother and turn the pitney man against the mother? No real man don't do that. And she go always defend her father. Because I tell her, say, me give her away when she was a baby and she believe him, so she resent me. I wanna not think. And of course, me I got traumatized because me I take this man from me at 15 years old and him at 23 years old at the time. Big man for me. The first time me and that man I go to bed, him said to me, say, where me I go with that the forest there? And me I look around and try realize, me I try wonder which forest him I talk about. The way me scared and nervous, me I feel like cover my face. My whole body a shake. Never been with a man before. This man was the first man for me. Me not even didn't know any Faris. See how me tune him did attack. Me not even didn't know. If you all wanna like me, I don't just want to jump on a bandwagon. Remember some of the time I go come in now. Me not beg nobody if you like me. Me not come out here with no pity party like him. Come sit down and go on like him a saint. Blood upon your shoulder. You know why me say it. Remember what day you get locked up, you know. I say me talk certain things. Remember lock up you go get again. So you mean by me have secret for you me to talk them? You're not gonna like it. Me don't know who about say like supple Jane. I better me tell you something. I better you stop toe to toe with me. You come like a girl. You come like a big crutches girl. You come talk about make your woman live in a peace. And a one woman you have that a number one. So me don't know who you are fool. I must say she a try fool. But you see people who know your person and them know say you're humanizer and them know say you're beater. Them know say you're jealous and you're possessive and you're crazy. Who know you personally know say me not in a life. I not sure the rest of them now come out. Every woman with there with you know how you stay. Or you search phone, or you search my phone, them you mash up 21 phone for me. And when you're done, you make me not have no phone for weeks here. You call your father, call your family, and make them know say you're alright. Because they must say I try to call you and not get you. Use a demon from the pit of hell. And you can talk about one to the rest of man them. Talk about every man when me there with and you hear about them, you try to mash up me and the man them relationship. And now you come, I cry, and I talk about me for love you, make you and your woman live in a peace. When you try to mash up every relationship with every man with me ever there with. And when you call me and tell me, say, no, you can't find a woman like me, and you can't find a woman to replace me. And you call me and tell me that? Why me need to tell lie on you? What am I gaining? Followers? Lion? Me I get 2 lion? When me I gain from tell lie on you? I get a better car? A nicer house? What am I gaining for telling lies on you? You want to tell lie by yourself because you now come admit nothing. And if people say, oh, she mad, and then you come out now and say, not no go so, them are idiot. They fans them no know you like how me know you, so them are going to run with it. The young lady where you're there with no know you like how me know you. So the thing where you tell her she have to just go and hold it, but you can't pretend for long and your true self have to come out. And she so find out, say, boy, the baby mother never tell a lie. Me and the woman don't have nothing, and I know I never come out come say that girl I read and that girl is a thief. I know I don't do that. I know I don't do that. So stop drag the girl long in your thing. But realize that you can't call Shibada name. And you can't call the rest of people them name and me advocate. You think that me not have no backative. And I lie you tell. But me if I talk your secret them. If me start talk, you have to pack up and run away and come off a TikTok. If me start talk, your maga write down more than all your maga. You say your neck tringy? You say if you're a sufferer? Retribution depend you. People blood stain depend you. Blood money them where you spend. Remember say you don't have a hit song long time. Me could talk. You know what me start talk? You know so when me talk a viral it go. You know what me start talk? I go say, oh, me make this happen to you, and me make you the behind bars, and me make this, and no, say you are the breadwinner for the picnic, and them things that you always try drop on me, try bring me down on guilt trip. It is okay for you to talk bad about me and bring me down, but I must not come out and defend myself. Oh, because you're a star. Me must just quiet. I'm going to repeat myself before I come over the live here. You're a liar. You're a liar. I couldn't stay up on your live long enough because I was on the live, you know. I couldn't stay on the live long enough knowing that you're telling all these lies. Kayla was 3 years old when the incident happened. She don't know nothing. And me tell her everything. And me tell her everything. And because people know me, I know say me and baby mother, and people call him and tell him say people fire shot off of the car when baby mother did a drive. Which you never get the story right neither. Him call me and ask me about it and I tell him what happened. I tell him that I beg my sister a drive. The car me go somewhere. Me, my nephew and KK was in the car and my sister was driving. My sister just buy the car and the boy them did a try to thief the car. And never get the car, so them fire shut up at the car. Me and nobody never have nothing. Me never provoke nobody for nobody fire no shot over me. Stop lying, not no go so. And when you go call the pitney members, say people no using the head, you know, member same turn little girl man against me, you know. So if him tell her, say this, say that, against your mother, go up on live, do this, then that she go do. You know, pick sense out of nonsense. Come here with him pity party and I go on like him this innocent man. You're innocent and you grind me from me 15 when you're a big man for me. I'm proud to say him breed 5 women with 5 different pitney. Team lifestyle is just a hype, you know. and I'm not real. Him always want to say the first man to breed the first baby mother. I mean, you're our first youth. It's just a hype. And then with the all of we from we are young, all of we are teenager when him are there with the whole of we. All of we are.
Alright, my people, let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and we are going to move on to the next.
All of we.
So good.
Yeah, because they want everybody to take them side.
Yeah, that's not gonna happen.
And they want, yeah, and they want to paint a picture like that. Him don't want me to talk because him knows come talk the things about him. It may affect him career, so him don't want me come talk. Him want me to be quiet. And that's why them a do them thing. That's why them a do them thing. They look alive as stuck. Every time it freeze, me start it over. I leave 1,000 people there on it, me I start it over. Because me must get my word out there.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. The boy are wicked. Wicked. Dangerous boy that.
I'm not gonna lie to you. Last night when I watched your live and you were talking about a miscarriage, my friends and I we were all watching it on my page. And we were all crying, like, you know, we just never heard that side. And a lot of us has experienced miscarriages, so we understand what that feels like as a woman, you understand? And to know that you're watching this man do it like someone else experienced the same thing, and he's treating her like she's an angel compared to you.
I'm gonna tell you how him stay. Is a man who love to prove a point to people. It's when me and him just there, I'm at 15, you know, me start
wow.
When me at 15, them take my virginity when me at 15 years old. Them tell them at 23 years old. Yeah, man. When I go and report the life you want, because you say if me come over this, I'm coming back. So me I tell you no, una waste no time. Yeah? Una waste no time. If you think you can shut me up a lie not tell.
Yeah.
Lie not tell. Give me a minute there. No waste time. As some come over it, as some I come back. No waste time. As some end the life, as some I come back. When I got tired to see my face, remember me tell you that.
Yeah, one of my friends on the live, you know, she experienced the same thing with, you know, her daughter not in her position because of the father, whatever. So she's like, Miss J, I understand chin pain. And no.
Yeah, you're not traveling. So why are you arguing with me now? The argue with your sister for being careless. And your sister carelessness caused the baby life. That much you need for talk about your sister's carelessness. Don't blame the internet. When they like to deflect. Do not blame the internet. You are not traveling with your delicacy. So why you defend your sister for traveling and damaging her delicacy? Exactly. Argue with kissing on the net. On so dance and in a wig. On so dance and in a makeup. I want to argue with people. I want to describe people. And that. My name is Sister Potter. Me have always walk with my broom. You never know. Me always walk with my broom because my name is Sister Potter. No, but Sister Winnie should not make no sense. You ever take up me because you want the internet to say X, Y, and you're too careless. It doesn't change the fact that you have some careless, dirty girl. We want to call yourself mama. Nobody now own you accountable. You're careless. You're careless. You're put on a picnic to the mercy of the world until the rapture I'll take some of them. When is a careless, set a dirty, nasty, stinking, so cocky girl. When you put common cocky before responsibility. Me nah ask you no. When you put common body before responsibility. And then I lie me, I tell you, not like the truth, but take it. Take it like a champ. Oh. Nothing at all now makes sense what you say. Only people who don't like you that sit down and really suffer and say, me understand where you come from. Me understand. Me can't understand nothing what you say because traveling your own now and show you how tough you be. You're not traveling your own. You're not run the risk and not even come at your niece's funeral, but you want to talk about it. Drop it. Drop it. Yes. And you have a lot of females sit on the internet and them support these things, not realizing that una support all of them support your content belly. Una put on a body at risk, una put other persons at risk in order to make content. So talk to me like lovers still. It doesn't change the fact. You know what is the problem? Mr. Rosealee picking them get take away because of fear, carelessness and negligence, right? As the picnic get take away, she find it fitting to do her ear for that party, and the party was more important than the taking, than the rapturing of the children. The party was more important. You know, when the children became important, when the smoke clears. It's when every excitement done, and she realized that she have to come back at work. Then the picnic then become a topic in order to make money and gain traction on the app. It's very wicked what you females are doing, and for such, man treat enough of only like dog shit. Well deserved.
Alright, my people, let me know what you think in the comment section. May I run through the rest of this quick and fast, so let me know what you guys think, and let's watch some more.
Me sit down and me see it. Me sit down and me see it crazy. And a daily and when you speak about it, do not get the kids involved. Do not get the kids involved. And people are use our belly as content. And the whole we are blogger. Yeah, our belly as content. Make it make sense. Every day that him done, every day you pass by and listen. Yeah? Me know say Gleaner do what me I do every day, and you well support Gleaner. You well support the Observer. Me sure know say when news used to read 7 or 8 o'clock at night time. Me know say no hurry come from work and me case and do now do before 7 o'clock news. It's just that we do the news before and we got in depth. Yeah, when the news polish up everything, 6 men were killed in downtown Kingston this morning, early after 9 o'clock. You understand me? We say, you know, say about after 9 we hear the gunshot them? Yeah, man, about after 9 we know Tony in the 8, Ezekiel Walker, Bill Gates, yeah, we know them and we start listing name and everybody before the news. When the news polish, we dash. Yeah? So we're still on top about carelessness every day, so Jamaica come back to its standard. Yeah, careless. Me never know that time would have come where we would have all up dunceness as a thing, where we would have all up robbery as a thing, where we would have all up prostitution as a thing. We never know Jamaica that reach such a place. We never know Jamaica that reach a place where women feel proud to say, yeah, me I take a batty body in my hole, comes what may. Comes what may. Yeah, my body man, I love him same way. My man that I've never, ever seen this before where Jamaica that become a place where woman willing for hide man shit up cocky and say, man, boy, then, my man, him and a body man, and you know you're so deal here for him people. Yeah? Me not ask you. And it's just the truth I have. No two way about it. Everybody can lash out and talk to Jamaica mash up when it comes to batty man, but nobody can say Jamaica mash up when it comes to a deadbeat mom. Yeah, when it comes to a deadbeat mother, no one speaks about it. Yeah, when it comes to female degrading themselves, no one speaks about it. It's entertaining. Wow. That girl in a easy E. Yeah, man, she just raw nice. Yeah, it's well entertaining. Yeah, my friend. Oh shit. Me get a lock up in my ears. Then people are vicious to me. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Now ask you, that the whole of them do. We sit up on the app and we watch it day in, day out. And I'm telling the truth, from Blinga come right down. Blinga have her kids and Blinga leave come to Jamaica. You understand me? Come on, man, and leave the kids at home. What kind of life when I live in front of the picnic? Rosealee take up herself and go Panama, and I went school, open Rosealee and come back. Come get the kids to school. No, it's all about me first, kids after. It's all about me first, kids after. You never know. The only time the kids them come first is when them and the man are break up or people are class them. But to them the kids don't come first because they never go hungry and then pick the belly full. Gone are the days when mama used to make sacrifice for the child so the child would turn out like she. Today come like me. I remember one time Rosealee stood up on the app and said she nah beat Shanta for Shanta's attitude. At least Shanta can defend herself later on in her life. See there? See there? But when you talk on the app now, a different something. A different, me say Ivany come back. Come blame the daycare, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And me I tell them say Ivany a wicked a lie. Me say Ivany come back, come tell them about how much them not pay ice, no attention, and how much teacher this to ice and one bag of something when ice they at school with him artist himself a beat off the picnic them because Ivany no want accept the fact that a baby artistic. She no want admit the fact. Say a little boy artistic, him a walk and lick people, so to the point where Ivany come and talk some things wickedness, you know, long me a talk about them something up on the app. Ivany come and Ivany throw the entire creech underneath the bus. And the people in the app say, yeah man, I saw them people stay and our police did come there and Ivany never have a case. And you know what happened? We live to see Ivany and keep somebody's child and ice and beat them. We live to see Dr. Ice father bite him because it's either him eat out the food or him lick him. Ice father bite him. Me live to see that. Me live to see Ivany lick ice and ice and lick her back. Me live to see Ivany have the baby in there and look after somebody else's child and ice and call the baby batty boy. Me live to see all of this. Ivany come and say, Jesus please, Ice father bite him a while ago. Everybody else say a wicked dog that, a wicked dog that. The Louis no wicked. Ice a provoke him father and him father can't take the provocation. Him no wicked. Yeah. And it's just the truth. These are the operation of the females on the app, and they want everybody to talk say them holy, righteous and sanctimonious and they are good moms. And if you don't tell them that you're a hater, you're bad mind and true, you can't breathe. And if you have no picnic, some of we not even did born good, some of we not even did have good parents, much less to become good parents. And that's the next thing in our life. You know much time we live in a woman house and dying for grow big and come out leave her, because we can't take them lifestyle here. We can't take them lifestyle here. Women not grow me good. We never grow good. So how we gonna grow other people? How we gonna grow picnic good? We know good treatment. Remember we didn't want an adult from when little and mommy give we to go ahead. Remember from when young we want to be big. Our mother work it, then we jerk it, I put that thing down, slip it and reverse it. It's your dicky dicky in my back. It's your dicky dicky in my back. Listen, let me slurp it. And that's how the song going on me, remix the people in the song, you know. And me remix Missy Elliott's song and I saw the song going on. You saw me a little bit on outer order. No, come back on 2 o'clock, you know. Can't take the pressure. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Come on. Father Jakes, me I beg you. I pray the internet give you a blind. I can't do nothing about it, Jakes. That don't know me. Know why you cuss me later on in a life. Me and me so respect you, me never can cuss you back. Cause me can't do the real apology. Cause you gonna do something good again and me gonna forget congratulate you. And you just have the whole of my apology them up and down all around the town when the breeze blow. Me can't.
Alright, my people, leave your comments and let me watch some more.
But I hope, yeah, it's already in my bag. Virgin, later, my love, you know. Big up on yourself, have the kind of people. Stay blessed, keep sweet. Remember to live, laugh, and love, and put God before everything and everyone. Ciao. You see, Ivany, come back. Come blame the daycare, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. And me I tell them, say, Ivany, a wicked, a lie. Me say, Ivany, come back, come tell them about how much them not pay eyes, no attention, and how much teacher this to eyes, and one bag of something when eyes they at school with him artist himself a beat off the picnic them because Ivany no want accept the fact that a baby artistic. She no want admit the fact. Say a little boy artistic, him a walk and lick people, so to the point where Ivany come and talk some things, wickedness, you know, long me and talk about them something upon the app. Ivany come and Ivany throw the entire creech underneath the bus. And the people upon the app say, yeah man, I saw them people stay, and all police did come there, and Ivany never have a case, and you know what happened? We live to see Ivany keep somebody's child and ice and beat them. We live to see down to Ice father bite him because it's like them and eat out the food or him and lick him. Ice father bite him. We live to see that. We live to see Ivany lick Ice and Ice and lick her back. We live to see Ivany have the baby in there and look after somebody else's child and Ice call the baby batty boy. Me live to see all of this. Ivany come and say, Jesus please, Ice father bite him a while ago. Everybody else say a wicked dog that, a wicked dog that. The Louis no wicked. Ice provoke him father and him father can't take the provocation. Him no wicked. Yeah. And it's just the truth. These are the operation of the females on the app. And they want everybody to talk, say, them holy, righteous and sanctimonious and they are good moms. And if you don't tell them that you're a hater, you're bad mind and true, you can't breathe. And if you have no picnic, some of we not even did born good. Some of we not even did have good parents, much less to become good parents. And that's the next thing in our life. You know much time we live in a woman house and dying for grow big and come out leave her. Because we can't take them lifestyle, yeah. We can't take them lifestyle, yeah. Mommy now grow me good. We never grow good. So how we gonna go other people, how we gonna go picnic good? We know good treatment. Remember we didn't want an adult from when little and mommy give we to go ahead. Remember from when young we want to be big. Our mother work it, then we jerk it, I put that thing down, slip it and reverse it. It's your dicky dicky in my back, it's your dicky dicky in my back. Obviously, let me slurp it. And that's how the song going on me, remix the people in the song, you know. And me remix Missy Elliott's song and I saw the song going, you know. You saw me a little bit on outer order. Oh, come back on 2 o'clock, you know. Can't take the pressure. Pressure, pressure, pressure. Come on. Father Jakes, me I beg you. I pray the internet give you a blind. I can't do nothing about it, Jakes. God know, because I know why you cuss me later on in a life. Me and me so respect you, I never can cuss you back. Because I can't do the real apology, because you would do something good again and I would have to congratulate you. And you just have the whole of my apology them up and down all around the town when the breeze blow. But I hope, yeah, it's already in my bag. Virgin, later, my love, you know. Big up on yourself, have the kind of people. Stay blessed, keep sweet. Remember to live, laugh, and love, and put God before everything and everyone. Ciao.
Why am I not the it's just that I just go and ease back. When people are always talk, we're not gonna stop them from talk. Everybody have them say, everybody have them view. Everybody have their own opinions, so we can't stop nobody from talk. We can avoid from listening it. You understand? So if you're not for listen, we don't listen. Because we don't allow drain energy. We don't allow nobody for drain energy. You understand? And one mind, one body, and one soul we get. You have to protect it.
Yes, my boy.
So the energy draining thing we not to work with. That's it. Team, you want to circle candle last night, but I'm not get to circle right. I know she go. She not go vex. I know Candy, she not go vex. You know? Because you don't know, we've been a circle over the family there. And she been a show appreciation and she show me say she don't have that type of heart. So I respect her for that. You know? Just now can't reach because more use a week, yeah? We get towards business, you understand? I know the type I can't say, chat. The type I can't say it, I want to get that done. So this week we just want to focus on cast in the building and get some finishing work done too. Yeah. When I play too much with barbz, when I make some strength shot, go back to reasoning. Go on. There, man. So you tell everybody say you circle Sunday and I read Sunday.
A promotion that for club is so can they just give me a piece of food?
Or if tell them say you forward and
so Jake, so, yeah, Jake, yeah, manager.
Go on.
Go on.
There, man. So you tell everybody say you circle Sunday and I read Sunday.
A promotion that for club is so can they just give me a piece of food?
Or if tell them say you forward and
so Jake, so, yeah, Jake, yeah, manager for club or you book a room none there. Because look like you book a room down there around.
As you say every time when you see me travel bookings, you know.
First people. You see a baby mother.
Bookings.
You see a baby mother sitting on one line door.
Well, I have a circle down there as out of because we all have a co-work and the club just open, so we have to just circle down there then.
You see a baby mother sitting on one line.
See. That's how you have to breed people. That's how you have to breed somebody. You don't feel so? You can't turn there.
Jake, you don't think of breeding time now?
What you say?
Nothing of breeding time now.
Yeah, how much? I'm busy boy what you want to say, you're so 33.
No, sir, a job as that, a TJ that, TJ 42. Yo! Boy! Beg a song.
But they're going to the army, yes. For real. But they're going to fight war for true, bro. Everybody with flowers, chat. Flowers team.
Me see you get line what day, me see you get line what day and smile and so.
Can I get 4 more persons with flowers? Yes, chat. Thanks.
You really take the woman line and go on a candy club. Jakes, you talk about breed. You have to know who fi breed.
Mash up, man.
You have to know who fi breed, Jakes.
Chat, use a chipper. Use a
Come
chipper,
on,
chat.
guys.
The people, you know, say, the youth here, the lion man, him an idiot. The boy are very smart, you know. He's a very smart boy. And a long time, you know, say him smart. But sometimes you even feel like, say, you know the person and go breed them, you know, and it's a different person when you breed them, you know, then turn a different person totally. And you see, enough of them and them will go breed woman and them way there. Enough of them a peer pressure make them go do it, you know. And then go breed also some woman that make them life miserably, you know. But make watch some more, my people.
Super guys.
I see a missed call. I've got to return that call.
From who, Jakes?
Oh, yeah?
Chat, chip in the man.
Oh, yeah.
Jayden.
Yeah.
Sometimes I'm the wrong one, them bring the right youth, them, you know.
So where I say you breed the wrong one? Huh?
What you think?
Wrong one can't, that not for do it no man.
You do maths.
2 plus 2 how much?
What negative and negative bring?
Not positive. Negative
It's not a reason to believe
can't
it.
bring positive. Boy, Jake, so we not getting man. You win, boy.
Give me winning.
But I win, son.
Yeah. It depends on the number.
Oh, you know, yeah. Oh, you know, man. Oh,
Me never mute myself. Me never mute myself a while ago. I punk it up.
so I say, so I say this still not chat me, also.
Chat. We could put up some scores, chat, please. Share the live on Power Tap.
Snap this now.
Power Taps, chat, please. We're going to do some tappings.
Chat me the number 1. Come on, guys.
The number 1.
Good man.
Me say, my friend them to blood clot. Jalo. Jalo. Everybody thanks.
Just first ship of Jimmy, beg your galaxy. Come on, guys. Porta.
Yo, you know me not understand how me hardly can hear them and them hear everything I go through that microphone, yeah? Them hear everything I go through the microphone, bro.
Yo, watch on more just block some people. Okay? On the love, tell me when I come off time, you know. I lost game this. Now come on.
Yo, I want to go about them love till when I come off time. Just through the, you just like if I come in, everybody thanks.
I come off, man. Yeah, man, Jakes, if you know when I come off time, you know.
Now we're 14.
Yeah, but for true though, Jayden.
Yeah.
Big man thing, instead of expose the panty, they breed it.
He's a reader give me last night, see that.
When a panty I want to show.
Yes, me can't read the wrong somebody. Like you. You don't want to read the wrong somebody like you.
But I love the baby. Because I love the youth, you know.
Yeah, but we don't still have to deal with that. We don't want
I
that.
feel I love the youth.
Yeah, but
I feel I love the youth.
Yeah, but I love the youth, yes, but
Yeah, I feel like said I love the youth.
yeah. But we don't want to read the wrong person, bro.
Yeah, literally a taste is
Yeah, look, somebody can live forever and ever.
Jake, when I read the wrong person as Jake, so a problem that in your life, you know, bro. I don't want a constant problem in my life. If me have problem in my life, I can get it out same time.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Sexy Betty, thanks.
What did they try to bring me?
Chat 13, God, this is not a girl team.
So instead of you breed the wrong person, you show the panty.
So you see the panty? Jakes, you see the panty?
Don't know one viral jazz.
No, but you, may I ask you, if nobody pan you don't see panty, you know?
So how the panty get viral?
Cause somebody talk about the panty.
Chipper.
It's a famous panty. Chat, come on, chat. Triple chat.
Alright, my people. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. We'll go over Rosealee, Domidan, I think King Donia, and somebody else. You see me? So we could hurry up over here so and go over there, go here or go on.
Now see show you rock jazz too. I told we are panty man.
Sweetie.
Glove no guys, glove no. Chat, use the glove no guys, use the glove no.
Chipper.
Time for me come off, man. Time for me cut. Alright.
You get one of them post kitten snipe the chat.
Jakes, good with it now. Come on for this.
Oh man, we are reason, man.
Come on for this fuck. Me not do this.
Don't know reason but lion and panty.
You look like my people them done support. Yo, big up on the damn self, you know, bro. Everybody will shoot today, big up on the damn self. You see what I say?
Thanks.
Yeah, man.
Thanks, baby.
Come on for this fuck. Now we some time for you again. Now which my thing I say?
You remember?
Rock out in the middle, go on.
But the tired now come
A weekend, you know.
Be entertain a mother boy. You have money for me entertain. Go on your ma. Go entertain us. Entertain broke hungry belly people. You're mad. My people them done support already now. So me I come off.
A weekend, yeah.
Me entertaining up on the phone. My people them. You see me I say? Yeah.
Imagine.
Jakes later.
We not hear what you're saying now. Jayden come over here to talk about lion and it backfire.
Nah, shit, brother.
That him come over here for doing a talk about lion and it backfire. You understand?
Yeah, man.
So when you want to come about babe mother send lion, if nobody knows, so I'm going to make him know, say, him can breed somebody.
Цей трек заповнив весь інтернет.
But I still there, see me, I go and hold it. I push towards the goal. I Rosie kind of get sticky for me, but we never talk about that, and everything will come from me.
Watch them out.
Okay, I'm free freestyle that, dummy.
Who afraid of you? We not afraid of you. We just there, but then so we down there, so we have to go over foreigner, so we say alright then make James do him. You know no score for we afraid of you.
There's none of my chat about afraid of you.
Tell me, I say. I'm gonna say I no score. Alright, find yourself a partner, bro. Go play best of three. If you don't win the best of three, I come off full screen. Yeah, somebody. Jake's finding partner, man.
I'm not to mad somebody. Well, I'm not saying I can't find one somebody where not smoke and come beat you know. I show the page and new the page and one foreign page. You know how to put me on the FY so quick. Chat, tap up your screen and share up your life for a minute. And tap up your screen, the more taps me up on the come beat you know. Like that for 4 man.
You will bring him again, yeah,
Thank you so much for your father.
Ben, pussy down the cash, bro.
Thanks somebody, nobody over here, you know.
Page get deep. Wait. What I watching? Me have Eddie.
Cross,
Tap me on.
Cross, class.
Find my partner here.
Wait.
Rose, afternoon. Afternoon.
Rose, why you that one? Rose, let me ask you something. Why you that one? Wish me then send me round down, Rose.
I wish you want my opinion? Shh.
Rose, I wish you give me opinion them, Rose.
Listen.
I wish good for you.
You're not going to argue.
I went down there and
drop you. You can't talk again. You have to listen.
Alright,
listen.
Talk me here, baby. Talk.
I never said I wish that they should send you back here. Listen what I said.
What you said?
This one don't have no business.
Yes.
No mind no business.
Right.
I have to focus on people.
Right. But
you know, say you have that in your way. You know, say you have that in your way. Focus on that because you're young. Focus on your business and leave other people's business.
So Rose,
because if you focus on other people's business, that actually say your business spoil.
So Rose, I can't be
go in your business. I don't care.
So Rose,
you know why I don't care? I am fighting CPS with the government. I'm not really coming for arguing, so I'm going to go on.
No, Rose, I'm
Listen. I'm not going to shout. I'm not going to
Rose,
you know, listen. Let me mute him, because I'm not listening.
Sorry.
I'm not going to shout. Let me mute him, because him not listen, I'm not going to shout. I'm not argue with him on TikTok. Because when I don't want to argue, when I start, you're not going to argue with me, enough for me to put up, you're not going to argue with my man.
Which man?
You're not argue with me, and my man, you're not going to argue with. So I'm not argue with you. I'm going about my business. But good afternoon, I'm gentlemen.